In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to rename your workrooms to reflect the original name that you created when you went to the top of your All Courses page and created a workroom. Now keep in mind that this should only be applied to your workroom courses. Again, I repeat, only to your workroom courses. Please do not apply this to your live course shells. Live course shells need to stay intact in order to communicate with Infinite Campus. So let's go ahead and jump into one of my workrooms in order to reflect this specific nickname, which I'm going to copy, and I'm going to paste it into the section that will make it read this similarly in our Canvas dashboard page. You'll go ahead and open up your workroom. Keeping in mind that, again, the left black sidebar is your Canvas navigation sidebar. The white left sidebar in your course is going to be your course navigation sidebar. We're going to go to the course navigation sidebar and scroll all the way down to settings. And then you're going to click up on sections in the settings area. You'll notice that you have a hyperlink of your workroom with the name and date. And then to the right you have a pencil and an X. Click on the pencil to edit your section, and then copy and paste your desired nickname for your workroom. Again, this should only be applied to workrooms and not live course shells. And then go ahead and hit enter. You will now notice that the workroom name reflects what you originally intended to have it as a name when you first created your workroom. In order to check and make sure that this has been completed, just go ahead and click on the All Courses tab on the left Canvas navigation sidebar. Scroll all the way down to All Courses. Hit Control F or the Apple button and F on a Mac computer, and then paste your name. As you can see, it is still the main title that you were given as a default within the Canvas system. However, when you click on your workroom, it now reflects the name that you wish to have it be named when you first created your workroom. Now let's go ahead and go to our All Courses again and make sure we star it so it shows up on our dashboard. I'm going to go ahead and click the back button. Find my workroom. Remember, in order to put a course onto your dashboard, so it's right there as one of your courses to get immediate access to when you log into Canvas, you'll want to come over to the left and make sure the star next to the course or workroom name is highlighted in orange. Let's go ahead and go into my dashboard and look now for the workroom that has been renamed. As you can see, I have some courses here that are live course shells or workrooms that have these specific titles that are out of place of what we would like when we name our workrooms. However, down at the bottom here, where I just starred my workroom that I renamed, you'll notice that it is named exactly how I wanted it on both the hyperlink and the call link that it was originally created by the system. So again, up here, we went from something that was pre-created by the system to something that we have as familiarity to look quickly as we're going through our courses. Again, I cannot caution this enough. Please make sure that when you are doing this, you're only applying this to workrooms. Please do not apply this to live course shells, as those specific settings have to be set in order for Canvas courses to communicate with Infinite Campus.